everyone. Today we are going to do another water meditation. Uh, this is actually Hirakud, and we are having water, but this is not a river. This is a reservoir, by the way. So you will see the water is quite still, and the ripples in here created by my friend. Let me give you a simple look. Look at her feet, and she's making these ripples. What you see here is actually a kind of a duck. Yeah, it's kind of a duck. Still water meditation is not recommended because water is known for its flowy nature, but still, look at this reddish hue. See, in the camera it is catching the reddish hue, but it's actually purple and this fading to look a different color. Okay, orangey and then bluey. Yeah, see, this is exactly what it is showing me. Okay, and look. So when we cross this particular road is what we cross. Okay, every time we enter Sambalpur city, and these are the two dunes I get to see, like small hills, and that's a boat of some sort. Yeah. Wow, look at this. 7 colors. My friend can't stop touching and playing with the water. This is the true color, by the way. Look at the ripples. So if you're on screen at your home watching these ripples coming towards you, gently breathe in, let it wash over you. There may be aches and pain in your body. Just let it wash through. Okay, and this is a beautiful time. You can see the 7 colors here. You can use any of the color to heal a specific area of your body or pain or any ailment, emotional blockage. Okay, just use this. Keep on breathing in and breathing out. Apart from the water, I'm also bringing the element of earth here. Okay, and the sky, the air. It's tough imagining yourself here, isn't it? Um, see, and there are more, by the way. Yes, there's really very much more. And this here we have the sun, the red sun, but it's not looking red. Okay. One of the beautiful things about local areas is that there is always a local folk song or a local song playing, and you always get a local boy playing with the full blare on his phone. It works as magic with the flowing river and the flowing sea sometimes. Yeah, that's a small little girl as well. Yeah, look at this. I'm not someone who would sit at at a reservoir, but rather I would like to go there, exactly that place.